Hey, what is up, guys? What if I told you that there was a hidden app store right here on your Fire Stick that had apps you cannot find in the official store? These apps allow you to watch brand new movies, TV shows, live TV, and pay-per-view for free. In today's video, TechVibes is going to walk you through everything you need to know to get to this secret hidden app store on your Fire Stick. It is only going to take a few minutes to start enjoying all of your entertainment. At the end of this video, I will share more secret unlinked codes and downloader codes. Please do not skip any part of this video. Watch the full video until the end, otherwise you will not be able to set everything up perfectly. Step 1 is to download the downloader application. Move your cursor to the left side of your home screen until you highlight the magnifying glass icon. Use the keypad to search for the app called Downloader. As soon as you enter the first letter, the app will appear on your list. Highlight the word Downloader and click on it. Click the center button one more time to start the download automatically. When the download finishes, do not open the app yet. Press the home button on your remote. Step 2 is to unlock your hidden developer options. Navigate over to your settings menu by sliding to the little hamburger menu at the corner of your screen. Scroll to the bottom and click on Settings. Look for the option called My Fire TV and click on it. If do not see developer options on this list, highlight the section that says About. Click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. A pop-up will appear saying, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." Click your back button one time to see developer options on your menu. Open it up and click on ADB debugging to turn it on. Next, slide down and click on Install Unknown Apps. Highlight the Downloader app and click it one time to turn the setting to On. Step 3 is to launch Downloader and install the custom portal. Click the Home button on your remote and open the Downloader app. Move the circle cursor up to the URL bar and click it. Type unlinked.link and click Next. Scroll down the page until you find the black box that says Download APK Android. Put your cursor on that box and click the center button to start the download automatically. Once it finishes, slide over and click Install. When the installation wraps up, click the Done button. Slide over and click Delete to remove the unnecessary installation file, then click Delete one more time to confirm. Step 4 is to configure permissions for your new portal app. Click the Home button on your remote. Go back to the hamburger menu, open Settings, select My Fire TV, and open Developer Options. First, select Install Unknown Apps. You will notice that the brand new Portal Installer app has appeared on this list. Highlight it and click it one time to make sure it is turned on. Verify that both Downloader and this new app are set to On. Step 5 is to secure your connection with a private network tool. Slide down to your Main Apps row and scroll to the end to find your new Portal app. Open it up and click the center button 2 times. Use the keypad to type out the library code EMDYOUTUBE to access the customized App Store selection and click Next. Click on the gray folder to break the store into categories like sports, movies, and live TV. Before downloading any entertainment apps, you need to protect your device so everything runs smoothly. Highlight the Secure Network tool, click Download, and let it reach 100%. Click Install App, slide over, and click Install one more time. Step 6 is to install your free streaming applications. Go back into the store library. Highlight the HDO Box app, click Download, and click Install. This app offers movies and TV shows, but it requires a matching video player to function properly. Look for the Drama Player application inside the library, click Download, and install it just like before. Now highlight the Sports X app, click Download, and click Install to get live TV and sporting events. Once you are finished, press the Home button and go to your Main Apps row. Before opening any entertainment apps, always open your Network Protection Tool application icon first. Log in using your secure username and password. Click the center button on your remote one time to connect. As soon as the status lights up in green, your connection is fully protected. The tool will continue to run silently in the background to ensure a smooth, stable stream. Now you can safely open HDO Box or Sports X and enjoy unlimited entertainment without any worries. I have categorized all 20 unlinked codes in the pinned comment and description below this video so you can easily access them. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button right now. Subscribe to TechVibes so you do not miss the next tech update. Make sure to leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in the next video.